By the way, are too many tabs clattering on your Chrome browser? Google's working on a solution to help organize all the tabs you have open. The Tab Groups feature provides clean, color-coded labeling for all your tabs. It's available today behind a flag.
ICTclick.com, your daily ICT perspectives.
If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button for more ICT Click tips and tricks. Press the bell button and never miss an update. By default, with the release of Chrome 83 on the 19th of May 2020, Google will slowly enable tab groups for more and more people over time. Now, to see if tab groups are already enabled in Chrome, do the right click on the browser tab and look for the Add New Group option. If you see it, tab groups are enabled and you don't have to activate the flag. But in this case, tab groups are not enabled, so you will have to enable tab groups. To enable tab groups in Chrome, open a new browser, which is I already have a browser, and then type the following into its Omnibox or the address bar: Chrome and // flags. Then hit the enter key. Now, you'll have to type in tab groups on the search bar, and then see here tab groups, and you will have to enable it. Okay, we choose the enable. Then right after enabling it, you will have to relaunch again the browser. Click on relaunch. By the way, I just wanted to point out a warning that this feature is behind an experimental flag on older versions of Chrome, in which Google's developer was still working on it, and it's not guaranteed to be completely stable like Google Chrome clipboard sharing feature. May be buggy. We originally tested this feature in Google Chrome 80. And now, as soon as the Chrome relaunches, you won't notice anything different at first. To use the tab group feature, you'll need to open few tabs on its full extent. Now, right click on the tab and select Add to New Group from the context menu. Then you'll notice a colored circle will appear next to the tab, and when you click either the tab or the circle, the tab group menu will show, and this is where you can name the group and change the color coding and new tab into the group, and group all the tabs into the group, or choose all the tabs that are in the group. Okay, so let's try name this maps. So when you gave the name group a name, then the circle disappears, and then it is replaced by the label you gave it. So here we can also choose color coding and to give it a little bit of personality, and you can now assign some groups, like assign some tabs into this group. So for instance, this is maps, so just basically drag it in here, and notice that I have Google Drive seated next to my map, so I can start also adding this tab into a different group, add to a new group. So I'll just change the color into green, for instance, and clouds, and for this, change it into videos, add to new group, change color into whatever you want, and I will assign this tab group as videos. Right, so Google and Vimeo will belong here, and I can just drag this Google Earth to my maps, which is it really belongs here. So as long as you click this tab, it turns yellow because this is a group of tabs that belongs to this category, same as here. So click here, it will be different from the Google Drive, right? So for videos, and there's one drive here, I will just add it here. So you'll notice that your tabs are now pretty more like a bit organized compared to a while ago. Now if you don't like the order in which the group are organized, it's easy enough to rearrange them, drag them, label color circle around the tab bar until you're happy with the location. If you no longer want a specific tab in a group, you can remove it. Just do the right click on the tab and select remove from the group, and you can also drag the tab from the group and place it in the empty section, for example like this. If you don't want it, you can actually remove it or just drag it to an empty section like this. And if you're done with everything inside the group, you can close all the tabs at once, destroying the group and everything in it. Just click designated group name and then click close group in the menu, like this. Close group, close group, and close group. And that's all it. Share this video with your friends. Make sure they get the latest technology update, and I will appreciate your likes. The more of them I get, the more people will see this video, and possibly it will help somebody's frustration.